Hei alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will talk about how to give directions in Norwegian. As you embark on your Norwegian language learning journey, grasping how to give and understand directions is crucial. Let's enhance your vocabulary understanding of phrases that will aid in giving precise directions in Norwegian. Important vocabulary. Get acquainted with a richer set of Norwegian vocabulary that will be useful in giving detailed directions. En vei, en vei, en vei, a road. En gangsti, en gangsti, en gangsti, a footpath. En sykkelsti, en sykkelsti, en sykkelsti, a bicycle path. Et kryss, et kryss, et kryss, crossroads. Ei fartsgrense, ei fartsgrense, ei fartsgrense, a speed limit. Et fortau, et fortau, et fortau, a sidewalk. Et stoppeskilt, et stoppeskilt, et stoppeskilt, a stop sign. En parkeringsplass, en parkeringsplass, en parkeringsplass, a parking lot. En avkjørsel, en avkjørsel, en avkjørsel, an exit. Ei gågate, ei gågate, ei gågate, a pedestrian street. Brostein, 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 cobblestone. Core phrases for giving directions. Here are phrases that will be your best friends while giving directions in Norwegian. Kan du fortelle meg veien til? Kan du fortelle meg veien til? Kan du fortelle meg veien til? Can you tell me the way to? Ta første, andre, tredje avkjørsel i rundkjøringen. Ta første avkjørsel i rundkjøringen. Ta andre avkjørsel i rundkjøringen. Ta tredje avkjørsel i rundkjøringen. Take the first, second, third exit at the roundabout. Følg veien, følg veien, følg veien, follow the road. Kryss broen, kryss broen, kryss broen, cross the bridge. Kjør gjennom tunnelen, kjør gjennom tunnelen, kjør gjennom tunnelen, drive through the tunnel. Sving inn på, sving inn på, sving inn på, turn onto. Detailed sentences and examples. To comprehend how to use these phrases in real-life scenarios, let's look at detailed sentences and examples. Kan du fortelle meg veien til nærmeste parkeringsplass? Kan du fortelle meg veien til nærmeste parkeringsplass? Kan du fortelle meg veien til nærmeste parkeringsplass? Can you tell me the way to the nearest parking lot? For å komme deg til museet, ta til venstre ved neste trafikklys, og deretter første til høyre. For å komme deg til museet, ta til venstre ved neste trafikklys, og deretter første til høyre. For å komme deg til museet, ta til venstre ved neste trafikklys, og deretter første til høyre. To get to the museum, turn left at the next traffic light, and then the first right. Følg sykkelstien i ca. 500 meter. Du vil da komme til en vakker park. Følg sykkelstien i ca. 500 meter. Du vil da komme til en vakker park. Følg sykkelstien i ca. 500 meter. Du vil da komme til en vakker park. Follow the bicycle path for about 500 meters. It will lead you to a beautiful park. Når du ser et stoppeskilt, ta til høyre og fortsett på Brosteingaten. Når du ser et stoppeskilt, ta til høyre og fortsett på Brosteingaten. Når du ser et stoppeskilt, ta til høyre og fortsett på Brosteingaten. When you see a stop sign, turn right and continue on the cobblestone street. Gå ned gangstien, og du finner kafeen på venstre side, rett ved siden av bokhandelen. Gå ned gangstien, og du finner kafeen på venstre side, rett ved siden av bokhandelen. Gå ned gangstien, og du finner kafeen på venstre side, rett ved siden av bokhandelen. Walk down the footpath, and you will find a cafe on the left side, right next to the bookstore. Understanding how to beskrive veien, or give directions in Norwegian is vital as you navigate your way around in Norway. The enriched vocabulary and detailed examples provided here in our discussion today will help you construct precise and clear directions. As you familiarize yourself with these terms and phrases, you'll find yourself more comfortable and confident in helping others find their way or finding your own way in Norwegian-speaking areas. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, private classes in Norwegian, early access to new content, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,